Hello, welcome, Daedalus. Again, we're here to show you how to tear down your Starling V3 flat pack. So first off, we'll remove the flyer. We'll do that by taking the belt off the motor here. Just lift the flyer up. I'll just slide that bearing down so I'll have it handy. Motor comes off really easy. You can push it off from either side. And now we're left with just the chassis. So the chassis has 4 bolts, one in each corner. And we're going to turn those bolts. We don't want to take the bolts all the way out. So we're going to loosen it just 2 whole turns. So notice which way the wrench is turned, and we're going to go 1 whole turn, 2 whole turns. We'll do that for each corner. Alright, now that we have those bolts loose, the face should just slide right off the tubes. And so I'll hold the tubes and use my thumbs, and there's the face, and you can pull the tubes just straight out of the rear. And that's how you break it down.